Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Amazon Associates using sign-in security, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Amazon Associates using sign-in security, start by visiting the Amazon Associates homepage. Click on the sign-in button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email or mobile phone number associated with your Amazon account. Next, click Continue to proceed to the password entry screen. Type in your password and then click on the Sign In button. If you have two-step verification enabled, you will be prompted to enter a security code. Check your email or SMS for the code sent by Amazon. Enter the code into the provided field and click Verify. Once verified, you will gain access to your Amazon Associates account dashboard. Navigate to the Account Settings section found in the top menu. Click on the Security Credentials option. Here, you can manage your sign-in security settings. Consider enabling two-step verification if you haven't already done so. Follow the prompts to set up the additional security layer. You will be guided through steps to link your mobile device for receiving verification codes. Once completed, check your settings to confirm that two-step verification is activated. Regularly review your security settings to ensure your account remains protected. With these steps, you've successfully authenticated your Amazon Associates account using sign-in security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.